Meanwhile, government is also disputing reports making rounds that treatment centers for persons who have been isolated for testing positive for COVID-19 are currently full. Now, addressing the media on the latest updates on the coronavirus situation in the country, the Minister for Information, Kojo Nkrumah, indicated the report were not backed by accurate data.
Currently, there are 299 people in treatment centers, but we have a capacity of about 700. So the narrative that some keep repeating, that the treatment centers are full, the treatment centers are full, they are not supported by your data. 299 when you have a capacity of 700. And then total number in isolation, that will be 387. The isolation centers are different from those in treatment centers. Okay, so that will be 387. You haven't told us how much space you have for isolation generally.
PCC alone is 600.
Okay, PCC alone is 600. So if you have 387, and PCC is just in Accra. So if you look at what is across the country, okay. Then, total number being managed at home, 3,372. They are mostly asymptomatic. And as you give them supportive treatment, you expect that about 99% plus of them will recover. I think these are key data points that we want to make time to let all stakeholders be aware of, so that we don't go with the sweeping, the case count is now at 25,000, the case count is at 25,001, the case count is at 25,000, because that one, by the blue graph that we saw, forever, it is not going to come.
It was also announced the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, will this morning resume work at the Jubilee House after undergoing 14-day self-isolation at the presidential villa. Information Minister Kojo Nkrumah added Senior Minister Osafo Maafo has also been confirmed negative after initially testing positive for COVID-19 a few weeks ago.
The Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is expected to resume out-of-home engagements from tomorrow after a 14-day precautionary self-isolation period. The President's precautionary self-isolation was on the advice of his doctors after at least one person within his close circle tested positive a couple of weeks ago. The President has, during the period, been working from the presidential villa at the Jubilee House. He's expected to, from Monday, attend to business from his office at the Jubilee House. Additionally, he will attend to some engagements outside Accra during the week. We are grateful to all who have been sharing best wishes with the President and all others. In some other matters, Senior Minister Osafo Maafo, you will recall, instructed us to announce his positivity to the country a couple of weeks ago. He has been on supportive treatment at home since. He has, as he informs us, voluntarily tested again since, and he instructs me to update you that his tests of Thursday returned a negative sample. He thanks well-wishers and the Ghana Health Service team for their care.